Hello guys, welcome back to Things Can Be Incredible, and today I am gonna show you how to make a piano using Arduino. So for that we need Arduino breadboard piezo, then we need three resistors of 100 ohms and one resistor of 10 ohms, and then we need three push buttons. So let's start. So guys, as you saw in the previous clip, I made this uh, circuit, and afterwards I designed the code for it. I will give this code in the description so you can also make stuffs like this. So let's check it out how it works. Thanks for watching guys. Wait for my next videos and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye. And also check out my website made by me using HTML coding language. Link is given in the description.